Okay, in order to make your flip book, you need to have 3 sheets of paper. So if you take an 8 by 11 and you cut it in half, you really need to have 3 sheets. So one sheet, or I'm sorry, 2 of the sheets are white and then 1 is colored. If you were in class, I would have this already made for you, but you can see here how they're layered like this, where they're about 1/2 inch apart from each other. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold it in half like this so that you can see that now, once I have that, I'm going to fold it. And then you're just gonna staple right here. But here now you have your flip book so that you have your cover and then you have page 1. You'll put your information here. Page 2, you'll actually write out like waves, amplitude, whatever you have to have here. And then when you open it up, you will put all the information that you need, which all the information that you need are in notes that are in Schoology, but I did post them with this wave book assignment. If you have any questions, please let me know.